Kung alam niyo mga friendship, hindi na ba ni Mister sa bahay niya, bahay ng friend niya, lahat ng mga... Yeah, I said, hi, Mami. I said, don't visit me. You know me. I'm scared. Ano mga friendship look? Nilabay ni Mister mga damit ko. Ang bait talaga. Wala akong masasabi. Nilabay niya lahat. Alam niyo naman, ako mga friendship. Isang gamit lang. Tapos, maliligo. Tapos, maliligo ako. Tapos, gamit na naman ng iba na naman. Okay na akin yan. Pati pagtiklop, hindi ako marunong. Friendship. See? Puro mga damit ko to, mga friendship. Puro mga damit ko to, mga friendship. Karamihan dito, mga shorts. You know what I mean? Kahit na medyo malamig. Sanay na ako sa mga malamig. Ito, pinantulog ko lang ito. Bago to. Pantulog lang yan. Yan yung mga friendship ko. Diba? Sabi ko, wag na. Sabi ko sa kanya, wag nang labhan. Dahil ang dami kong damit na hindi pa nasusuot. Pero, kasi nakikita niya ako every night. Pag naliligo ko, nilalabang ko yung mga underwear ko. Ayaw niyang, alam niyo na mga friendship, ayaw niya yung naalimang kamay ko. So, sabi niya, maglalaba tayo. Nakakahiya mga friendship. Pero wala, nandito na kami. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung gamit niyang sabon? May laluka. May laluka. Kaya nga isang beses ko lang ginamit ito mga friendship. Medyo warm. Still warm. Galing sa dryer. Titiklupin ko na lang sa hotel. Tapos, ngayon naman, sampa kayo. Ito, ginamit ko lang ito isang oras. Nanood kami ng show last night. Hindi ako marunong na mag-tiklop. Ay, Diyos ko tayo. Ayusin ko na lang sa hotel. Bahala na. Mga friendship, di ko alam hindi ako marunong na mag-tiklop talaga. Manipis to eh. Manipis. Kaya kailangan ng jacket. Okay. Mga friendship, grabe. Ang mga ayusin ko na lang sa hotel.
Vitamin D.
Is that your tea?
Huh?
Oh no. You want some tea?
No. Vitamin D.
Oh, the vitamin D, she's doing right now.
She told me I get vitamin D pills.
He's taking D3 and D2. 2 and 3.
Oh, I just take D3. Too much no good.
Rainbow connection.
Boy,
Yeah.
you think I can drop you off and take you to go shop?
Yeah, I will drop you off now.
No, she might go shopping.
Nay, no, it's okay. Ano, ayun, si Mr. hindi ako inaasikaso. Ano,
You go shopping Sunday.
What's that?
Emmy, you go shopping Sunday. Did you get plenty? Hey, the black bag's not outside.
It's outside.
Nah.
Oh, no, there's no black bag over here.
You want any more black bag?
No,
Then you bring one cream.
Huh?
You get one cream.
Arita,
Oh yeah.
nalalo ka?
Yeah. My knees itchy right now.
You what?
My knees.
His butt itches. No, just yet.
Like the kind.
Do you have a meeting today, Owen?
What's that?
Meeting?
No, I have rehearsal.
Oh, rehearsal. For tomorrow?
Yeah, we put on a whole show.
Ay,
Look at your bag.
what bag?
Remember we put the bags in the. We went to Chicago.
2000.
No, we went to Chicago in November.
Last year she's talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we went to Chicago,
Yeah.
you know the black, is that the black bag?
Suitcase.
Suitcase.
I thought we took everything out. We put them in another
No.
bag.
We were gonna take the red one back.
You took a red one?
Yeah, we was gonna leave the red one here.
Oh, but you took your red one.
Yeah. You said, why don't you just take this one
Wala
already?
siyang damit. Sa akin lahat. Wala pa. Ito pala. Ito lang yung sa kanya.
Have some towels. Have some.
Matawa. We don't need that.
No, but I have to have your shampoo thing.
No.
Yeah, and I have the
That's
lotion.
fine. It's okay.
And then have my shoe. Sketches.